Inibingelela kuphi nakuphela kufinye khona umbuso njengamanje babukeli beSelect Africa TV emakhaya.
Sawubona sikumukele beSelect Africa TV.
Sawubona.
Select Africa TV. We we. Our King Nuwas with Select Africa TV and we are subscribed by bafowethu Hlezo Sibuka njengoba ngiphathele izizwa nje.
Ngiyangithanda kakhulu babukele emakhaya ngiqhubeke njalo ngibuka amavidiyo ami.
Bafowethu uMacingwane uzonikeza nje uzothi qaphu nabezindaba igama ngubonke inkosi Khanyile okuyena odila nethimba labezindaba kule case leka Macingwane. So Ngizwe Mchunu is going to give one or two words towards the media. My name is Bonginkosi Gift Education Madoda Khanyile and I'm the one who is in charge of this process of the media. I'm running it here. Pertaining this case of Macingwane. So it must be clear. So now I think we'll take questions. I think Macingwane will just take 3 per 3. Then you respond. We'll start with SABC and follow with all other media houses.
How do you feel about this latest postponement and then just your charges inciting violence, Disaster Management Act? Are you guilty of such?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And I will never be guilty. This is my country. I love it so much. And I am here to protect my country.
Are you not breaching your bail conditions by addressing us now?
No. There's nothing like that. By talking to you? No. There's nothing like that. Are you here to ask me about those things?
No, asking your reaction after.
Yes, don't worry. The case is postponed on the 31st of January. Yes. What is important here is that we are facing a big crisis in the country where our country is being looted in terms of economical structure as well as political violence that are happening in the country. And there's so much corruption that has been identified in our own country. So therefore, as I'm standing here, I'm happy that I'm going back to tell the people they must go and vote on the 1st of this coming month. But I've launched iskali la ngikala khona wonke ama-councillors ukuthi sikhathela amasela sikhathela abantu abangacabanga lo mphakathi abantu abavota ngendlela abafisa ukuvota ngayo kodwa ngizobakala bonke abantu manje sikhathela indaba yabantu abangalukwenye ngoba if they don't exercise their democratic right it's the only way we can speak to our government. This is the right time to speak because our vote is our voice. Therefore, you can never allow you to gain weight while you are helping the community. The community must gain weight. You must not gain weight. Siyabakala manje. Operation siyabakala.
How do you feel about the former president being released under those conditions? And have you spoken to former President Jacob Zuma?
I haven't spoken to him yet, but I'm going to meet him soon. But what is important is that we are happy that what we've been fighting for, the justice has been served. The judicial system of this country is there. It's just that kunemphuzane lokuzivike lokuyisondela imphuzane yabaskithi abasondela kwi-judicial system. The judicial system is perfect because I'm out today because of the justice system. If it was the wish for people who arrested us, we shouldn't be here. Even Bonginkosi today should be rotting in jail so that they can cruise, control and loot the whole country and steal our economy and make us suffer and give us grants.
Okay, both you gentlemen, do you believe you will have successful cases? You'll win your cases? Absolutely,
we are going to win the cases, and then after we've won the cases, we want to launch the Azikale media. No. The media. What you call capture? Because all the media is captured. You cover what you need, what you want to cover, and what you have been authorized to cover. We want the black excellence in media. We don't want people who are behind me here, who are our enemies. Never. We never allow that. You yourself, you are not working perfect. You are not working perfect. You are under strict conditions that are annoying, that are beyond your educational qualification. You are not expressing your true concerns. Never. You are not free and fair, but you are silent because you want bread and butter.
Just your thoughts on the release of President Jacob Zuma, and have you spoken to him?
No, I haven't spoken to the release of President Zuma. But let me make this clear. Today is not about me. Don't ask any personal questions that are related to me. Today is based on Ngizwe Mchunu. We speak about issues which are pertaining Ngizwe Mchunu. If you want me, find me in Durban tomorrow. I'll be cruising nicely there. Don't ask me anything here. Ask Ngizwe Mchunu.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.